So we're driving down. We're in East Richford right now. And this is basically as far, not as far, as close to the border as you're gonna get in this spot. I mean, I'll show you. There's one spot where you literally cross over to Canada because that's the way the road goes. I got the window shut so you guys don't hear the Jake brake screaming. But we're coming down the hill. So this line right here, it doesn't look like anything to you guys, but that's actually the Canadian border. So on the right, that's Canada. So we do this little curve right here. Now we're still on the US side, but right up there you can see that line on the right side, that's the Canadian. That's the border. There's sensors everywhere, so.
I do like my truck a lot more than this thing.
Birdie's.
No, just shifting. My truck's way easier to shift than this.
So that stone right there is the Canadian border. The road right here, because the border, you can see how it opens up. Because it's a giant drop-off, they had to make the road come over to the Canadian side. So I'm in Canada right now. And then you come right back over. It's only for a couple seconds. But there's this massive drop-off, so they couldn't build the road like that. So there you go. There's the line. So we were in Canada right there. That's how close to the border we live. I mean, it's not where we live. We're a couple miles from our farm. I think 7 miles, maybe 8. I think 8 miles. I'm not sure exactly, but it's a little bit of a trip. So they got the road basically all done, even painted. They even were nice and fixed the guardrails here. Now that we can work with. That's a lot nicer to drive in. That is nice of them for doing that. I also got to mention, my friend said he told my friend's dad also works for the same company, and he told his dad that this drive-in here was too steep for us, and his dad made sure to make it wide and a lot better slope for us. So gotta say thanks to Kobe and his dad, and they fixed this one too for us. Cruising up this nice straightaway here. This is a nice stretch of road right here. We don't have many places this straight. There's Alex. All the leaves are orange and red and some green. Well, we're finally turning off the main road. And we'll pull her in. And now we got some dirt road action as soon as we cross this little bridge over here. So I was all the way up here with the drone the other day, and I was recording all that for you guys, but the sun was sitting there, so it didn't work out as good as I was hoping, and I don't have the drone on me right now, but I think you can see enough. I can't really see it at all on this little screen, but it'll look a lot better on the once I finish putting it together.
The touch of our innocence is fading. No answers for questions we keep evading. Before the sun went on, we can point the blame, but it doesn't matter. It ended before it begun. Now we run. The shadow lingers on. We feel the devil stare, but we move on like we don't care. 'Cause inside this house of glass, we're throwing stones and we just pray for it to last. We're standing as one, but we're divided. Our days pass us by, but they spent misguided. We must decide on our own if the story should end or go on. We feel the devil stare, but we move on like we don't care. 'Cause inside this house of glass, we're throwing stones and we just pray it lasts. We feel the devil stare, but we move on like we don't care. 'Cause inside this house of glass, we throw stones and we just pray it somewhere deep inside. Find your reasons unified. Raise your head, face sure it's now or never.
Stand just backed up right there. I'm opening my tailgate. You can kind of see it in the mirror. And we're dumping. From what I heard on the radio, I just did my last load. And I think this will be...
If it like rain, we could drive up and down with the trucks to Snappage.
Yeah, it's supposed to rain.
And that would be
Well, that'll be it for this video. That is the last load for me for 5th cut. There's 3 more loads coming, and I'm gonna end the video here. And all we got left is snappage. So, till the next one.